If you want to set up a face recognition on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first we'll open up your settings, then you gotta scroll down right to your lock screen and AOD section, open it up. Here choose your lock screen and biometrics option. Enter your current PIN if you have it, right? And here press your face recognition option. So now we have to set it up. If you don't have any password at all, you will be prompted to create it. Press continue and let's follow the simple on-screen instructions. After we did it, you will be sent to this menu, so you can either remove your face data, add alternative appearance to enhance your recognition. So for example, you can add up your partner or someone else. You can enable or disable the face unlock by itself, require open eyes, brighten screen. So let's try it out. Now if we want to unlock our screen, as you see, I just did it with my face only. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.